So guys, today I'm playing the slime for you. And then each slime I have different ones. I have different slime lips. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll show you how to do this first. I'll go this first. So I'm going to open it and how you can play with it. So you can play with it you can stretch it, or you can squeeze it. Look, you can stretch it like this. Very slowly. Very slowly. Very slowly. Here. Do you hear it, guys? It's so cool. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. Wow, stretchy. Here, guys. So cool. And you can put it in the back, and then just so cool, so awesome. And then comment down if you played this before. Tell me, comment down below and subscribe to my videos. Everything's so cool. And my name is Hong. And then I have this. I open and I have lips. It's slowly, Larry. I just tell you the rules at the pink lips, so you know what it is. Glowing, glowing. Oh, it's broken. That was so cool, guys. I love this one the best because you can stretch it so hard. Look, guys. Stretch. Here. That is so cool. I'm going to be right back. Okay. Now I'm going to put this back. And we're going to play the next lips. So I'm going to put this. So here's the purple one. The purple like this. It's lips. But I'm open. And I'll show you what it is. If you don't eat this slime at home, guys. Don't eat it. We won't eat it, okay, guys? Don't eat it at home. I really don't like the purple so much because it cannot stretch out. But I'm trying to stretch it though. See, it's not bad. See? It doesn't hear anything. But come. Now you want to do these. You want to do this one, guys? Here, I'll show you. You want to do this one? Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to put this back. pieces already, so now open. Hairs look like another one. Squeeze it. You know you can stretch it the same like a slime, but it's really hard. You just smash back, but it's grapes. Crunch it. It's really hard to play. I'm gonna make it really good. So this is the soft one. I'm going to squeeze some more. Now you can mix it together. It's going to be soft soon, but now it's hard. So comment down below if you played this before. I want to play this. This is so awesome and so cool. And comment down below and subscribe to my videos and click the bell button. Bye! Now.